Are you having trouble finding an awesome tasting exotic Japanese KitKat? If so, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through brand new berry flavor Millennial Pink KitKat Chocolatory Sublime Ruby. Coming up. Hello, I'm Christopher C. Odom, your guide to your big trip to Japan. I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people plan your adventurous, meaningful trip to Japan, enjoy the journey of a lifetime, and thrive as a seasoned world traveler. So if you're new here, 1. Get your travel guide. 2. Subscribe to Big Trip to Japan. 3. Plan your big trip to Japan. And 4. Enjoy your journey of a lifetime. Get your first taste of Ruby chocolate. Nestle has launched in Japan ahead of Valentine's Day its brand new flavor, KitKat Chocolatory Sublime Ruby, in what they describe as Millennial Pink. What a name. In Japan, the new KitKat will retail for 400 yen, which is about $3.60 US. Zurich-based Swiss chocolatier Barry Callebaut debuted the never-seen-before Ruby chocolate in September 2017 with the Ruby cocoa beans. Nestle said that it offers a new taste experience, a kind of berry flavor made from the all-natural Ruby cocoa bean with a characteristic pink hue. Sublime Ruby chocolate was the creation of Yasumasa Takagi, top Japanese pastry chef, who has been the driving force behind dozens of past KitKat varieties. Since the green tea KitKats were first introduced in 2004, Japan has been the major driving force behind launching new groundbreaking chocolate. Japan is home to over 300 varieties of KitKats, including cherry blossom, wasabi, and sushi flavors. Uniqueness in flavor is not the only push behind the Japanese KitKat craze. In Japanese, the word KitKat sounds similar to the phrase kitokato, which loosely translates to surely win. Taste your own exotic Japanese KitKat flavors in the links in the description below. Watch another great video about top Japan tourist attractions here or in the description below. Watch another awesome video from Big Trip to Japan here. Now is the time to be something greater.